Hi, I am Pradeep Aggarwal from Institute of Mind Control Development, Hyderabad, India. And now, welcome to my channel, YouTube channel on Hypnosis, NLP, Law of Attraction. Now, I'm going to make a video and audio file of how to gain wealth using Law of Attraction. Now, Law of Attraction is very, very powerful. What you focus on, you get. Now, in this particular video, I am going to take you into self-hypnosis and then give you the programming for gaining wealth. So make sure that you are not driving a vehicle, operating a machine, and make sure you are alone and nobody disturb you for at least 10 minutes. If you are driving a vehicle, don't watch this video or listen to it. So I'm sure you are ready now. Now, if you have not subscribed to my channel, subscribe right now. Click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. Now, right now we are planning to give you a lot of meditations to achieve what you want in your life. Or this is basically a programming for gaining wealth. Now, wealth is having the ability and means to get the things in your life that you want and that help you achieve your dreams. Money is very, very important. Wealth is very, very important. Having money in the way our society gives us with wealth, and the universe has an abundance of wealth to give. So, you must be wondering, why does not everyone have wealth? That because their wealth attractive magnets is set to opposite and they're repelling, and which is not a good thing. So now in this programming you're going to change some of them, and you will need to make some changes before your wealth magnet can reach its full potential. Now when we talk about wealth, a lot of people have some negative beliefs. They have certain negative words they use about money and wealth. So first we'll eliminate all the beliefs about money and wealth, which is negative. When we are young, in our childhood, we have been heard a lot of negative comments by our parents, friends, other adults, family members, lot of negative words about wealth and money. The most important is what we heard is money is evil, or wealthy people are selfish, wealthy people are not good, wealthy people have accumulated wealth by cheating others. But these negative beliefs are simply not true. Now you need to think about all of the good you will be able to do when you have obtained a lot of money and wealth. There is nothing evil or selfish or cheating about charity work or providing for those you love. Now, embrace this new way of thinking and relationship with the money, and by doing that you will welcome more of it in your life with open arms. And the more you focus on the good thing about the money and wealth can do, the more you will attract. So now, I want you to close your eyes, take a deep breath, and just relax. Take another deep breath, and as you exhale, relax more deeply now. And I'll count from 10 to 0 with each and every descending number. Make your whole body more and more relaxed. 10, 9, 8, 7, 6, 5, 4, 3, 2, 1, 0. You are now very, very deeply and comfortably relaxed. And now repeat with me mentally in your mind positive affirmations, wealth affirmations that will go directly into your subconscious mind and will get programmed. Repeat with me mentally in your mind. I have been and will always be wealthy. I have been and will always be wealthy. In every day, in every respect, I am getting more and more wealthy. Day by day, in every respect, I am getting more and more wealthy. I am continuously increasing my wealth with every passing day. I am continuously increasing my wealth with every passing day. It makes me feel excited to know that abundance of wealth is available to me. It makes me feel excited to know that abundance of wealth is available to me. Being wealthy fills me with total contentment and pure joy. Being wealthy fills me with total contentment and pure joy. Anything that I do always produces a prosperous growth in my wealth. Anything that I do always produces a prosperous growth in my wealth. Anything that I do always produces a prosperous growth in my wealth. That's right. And now, take a deep breath and count 1, 2, 3. Come out feeling fantastic, feeling wonderful, feeling better than before. 1. Feel the energy coming back into your body from all directions. 2. Become aware of your surroundings. And 3. Open your eyes. That's right. And now, create a vision board is an excellent visualization technique. You might have watched a secret movie or the book. The vision board is so important. So create a vision board and it helps you to visualize clearly. Especially for amassing wealth, you will need a poster board, tape or glue, magazine or a computer, and a printer and a marker. Think about what it makes you to be wealthy. What you would buy, how much money you would have in your bank, who would be in your life. When you come up with your own personal definition of wealth, look for images in magazines or on the computer that correspond with that idea and pick up those magazines. Take those images, cut out or print off the images you find that make you think of wealthy life you want. Then glue or tape them to your poster board. The biggest thing in the center and smaller things around those. Be sure to leave enough room next to each image for an affirmation. And then create your affirmations by using the present tense from the statement. For instance, if your idea of wealth is traveling the world, include an image of yourself on a private jet with affirmations. My growing wealth allows me to travel the world. And then keep your vision board in a place you look several times throughout the day and allow the feeling of actually having those things to stay in your mind. The more you feel those emotions of abundance, the sooner the law of attraction will work to bring wealth and prosperity to your life. So my friend, make a vision board and practice this meditation with the affirmations. Every time you practice them, every time you use them, it will become more and more powerful and your life become more and more wealthy. You start meeting, attracting the right people at the right time. So that's right, my friend. So again, I am Pradeep Aggarwal. So practicing these affirmations and visualizations will help you to achieve and gain more wealth. So if you really liked it, share with your friends, share it in YouTube, share it in your WhatsApp group, your Facebook groups, and write comment and how you liked it. And please subscribe to my channel and click on the bell notification button to get notified every time we upload a new video. I'm looking forward to seeing you soon, and more videos are coming very soon. So thank you very much and see you soon. All the best.